We've also made some improvements to the user interface to help you understand better exactly what's going on with your model. The first thing we want to look at is the construction history, and we've added the actual tool icon to each one of the objects in the history to make it easier to understand exactly which part relates to what tool is used to create it. By doing so, it allowed us to actually cut the size of the construction history in half, because now we no longer have to list the object and the tool as two separate lines, since the icon represents the tool that's put on the same line as the object. So this should shorten up your construction histories and make it a little bit easier to understand visually and a lot cleaner. The other thing we've done is we've added some on-screen help and display for when an object becomes broken or there's things that need to be repaired within your model. So in this case I have a surface that was trimmed with this curve. If you accidentally move a point on the curve or move the whole curve in a way that makes the trim fail, so I'm going to just terminate this point inside the original plane. So obviously there's no way that this trim can be completed now. We still have the broken status icon in the world browser just like before, but we've also added it on screen, so it's very apparent exactly which part of the model that needs to be addressed. So anytime you see something that shows up red in your model, you need to go to that part of the model and repair whatever was broken. So as soon as you move the point back out and the trim is now repaired, then the red disappears and you know your model is good to continue.